What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up one of my favorite new Hot Wheels series from Walmart, and it's the Mopar set. The first car in the Mopar set is the orange 2013 SRT Viper. On to number 2, which is the blue Custom 77 Dodge van. Now our third Mopar machine is the green Dodge Charger Drift. Number 4 in this set is the silver Dodge Viper GTSR. Moving on to Mopar 5, we have the yellow 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. Next in the Mopar lineup is the red Dixie Challenger. Now number 7 is the red 70 Dodge Challenger RT. And the final Mopar in this set is a truck, the black and yellow 70 Dodge Power Wagon. There we have it, guys. Those are all 8 Hot Wheels cars in the Mopar Muscle series. If you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.